Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is the 7th April 2024. In this video, let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for monthly income trade and weekly income trade. That is for swing traders or positional traders. And also at the end of the report, we will also generate the stop buffers based on the daily ATR. Even before that, a small announcement, please, if this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. I kept all the videos in a playlist, supply demand zone price action course. Even I have provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. And if you click the link, you will get into this page and then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training videos are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. Even I have provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in the channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in the channel. Now let us get into the report generation with the help of NeoStock software, supply demand zone top-down analysis strategy builder. So the first report we are going to generate bullish trade setup for monthly income trade. In monthly income trade, HTF time frame, higher time frame is monthly. Intermediate time frame, that is ITF, is weekly, and lower time frame, LTF time frame, that is also called as entry time frame, that is daily. So that is the reason why we are selecting the entry time frame as a daily. Because we are generating bullish trade setup, entry zone should be demand zone. And in the third row, in this third row, bullish or bearish trade setup parameter in daily time frame, I am selecting the value bullish. And also I am setting three more additional filters. The first one is I don't want pierced zones. So that's why pierced count should be set to 0. The last parameter in this space, in daily time frame, the minimum value I am setting 0, maximum value I am setting 0, which indicates pierced count should be 0. Pierced count 0 means the zone is not pierced. And the second parameter, zone achievement should be VOZ, violated opposing zone. And third parameter, minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. For bullish or bearish trade setup, the minimum score should be 12. Now let us filter the stocks. So this is the filtered list. So total 27 stocks are filtered from this list. What I will be giving you, I will give only few seconds time and then move on to the next report. So you please pause the video. You can study these stocks. If required, you can also draw the zones on the charts by using this leg in, base and leg out as I explained in our previous lesson, lesson 21.1. Even in the lesson 21.1, I have explained all these columns in detail. If you did not go through that lesson, please complete it before you watch these videos. Okay, let me scroll down. So I am going back. Now I am going to generate bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. So entry time frame is daily, monthly income trade. Because it is bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, in daily time frame, I am selecting the value bearish. And remaining parameters are same, no POS count, and our zone achievement should be violated VOZ and minimum odd enhancer 12, as we already selected in the previous screen. Now let me generate. So these two stocks are filtered. Currently 2 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for monthly income trade. You can look into the time frame. You can also look into the search strategy. I clearly explained all these things, how you should follow in lesson 21.1. Okay, I am going back and generate a bullish and bearish trade setups for weekly income trade. So for weekly income trade, entry time frame should be 75 minutes, because in weekly income trade, HTF, higher time frame, is weekly, and intermediate time frame, ITF time frame, is daily. Our entry time frame or lower time frame is 75 minutes. That's why we have selected entry time frame 75 minutes. Because we are generating bullish trade setup, entry zone should be demand zone, and in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter at 75 minutes time frame, I am selecting bullish. Now I am going to set 3 filters. The first filter is the zone should not be pierced. So in this last parameter on this page, the pierced count. Now this time I am setting for 75 minutes time frame, minimum value 0 and maximum value 0, and the zone achievement should be VOZ, violated opposing zone, and minimum odd enhancer score should be 12. Now let us generate the report. So these 14 stocks are filtered, which are supporting bullish trade setup for weekly income trade. And the last report we are going to generate, actually it is not last, the next report we are going to generate bearish trade setup for a weekly income trade. So weekly income trade entry time frame is 75 minutes. Because it is bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone, and in bullish or bearish trade setup and 75 minutes time frame, for bearish trade setup we have to select the value bearish. And remaining filters are same like what we selected previously. Zone achievement VOZ, minimum odd enhancer score 12, and we should not, we don't want pierced zones. And let me generate the report. So these 3 stocks are filtered. So these are the bullish and bearish trade setups for monthly income trade and the weekly income trade. And the last report, let us generate the stop buffers based on the daily ATR. So based on the daily ATR, we have generated the stop buffers, and the stop buffer for monthly income trade is this 15% ATR, and the stop buffer for weekly income trade should be this 10% ATR you have to use. Now let me scroll down this list. Before that, first 17 in this list are indices, remaining all are equity stocks but listed in F&O segment. So let me scroll down, but if you want to refer any of these parameters, you just pause the video. So this is the filtered list. Hope this information will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.